Ever wondered how Netflix seems to know exactly what you want to watch next? Or how Amazon suggests products that you didn't even know you needed? Well, this isn't magic, nor a coincidence. It's the power of data analytics at work. Every day, companies like Netflix and Amazon harness this power to predict our behaviors, tastes, and preferences. They delve into mountains of data, analyzing patterns and trends, all to enhance our user experience. The answer to these questions lies in the power of data analytics. To truly understand the benefits of data analytics, consider its application in the healthcare industry. In this ever-evolving world, healthcare has become a prime sector where data analytics is making a significant impact. Imagine a world where disease outbreaks are predicted before they occur, where patient care is tailored to individual needs, and where operational efficiency is the rule, not the exception. This is no longer a figment of imagination, but a reality being shaped by data analytics. Healthcare providers, for instance, leverage the power of data analytics to predict potential disease outbreaks. By analyzing patterns in patient data, they can identify trends and make informed predictions, allowing them to take preventative measures and allocate resources efficiently. But the benefits don't stop there. Data analytics is also revolutionizing patient care. By analyzing data from electronic health records, healthcare providers can personalize treatments to meet individual patient needs, leading to improved patient outcomes and satisfaction. In terms of operations, data analytics helps streamline processes, reducing waste and improving efficiency. Consider the case of Johns Hopkins Hospital. By implementing data analytics, they were able to reduce surgical site infections by more than half, leading to significant cost savings and improved patient outcomes. This is just one example of the transformative power of data analytics in healthcare. From predicting disease outbreaks to improving patient care and streamlining operations, the possibilities are endless. Through data analytics, healthcare providers can make more informed decisions, ultimately leading to better patient outcomes. So, what have we learned about data analytics? Well, it turns out quite a bit. We've seen how this dynamic tool can sift through mountains of data, extracting valuable insights and patterns. It's like having a superpowered magnifying glass that can uncover hidden gems in a sea of information. We've taken a closer look at its transformative impact across various industries, with a special emphasis on healthcare. It's in this critical sector that data analytics truly shines, improving patient outcomes, optimizing resources, and ultimately saving lives. From predicting disease outbreaks to personalizing treatment plans, it's clear that data analytics is more than just crunching numbers. It's about making informed decisions, solving complex problems, and discovering new opportunities. And let's not forget the benefits. Increased efficiency, improved accuracy, and enhanced decision-making are just the tip of the iceberg. Data analytics is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that is transforming industries and improving lives. So next time when Netflix suggests your new favorite show, remember, it's all in the data.